Nasoitha, good evening, Rhonda. Well, I was asked to read a poem or prose, but I just couldn't quite find the right thing. So I decided to write my own. So I hope you like this, and I hope you're all keeping safe and well. This is called For Those Not Clapping. Spare a thought for those not clapping, for they will have their reasons. Spare a thought for those alone in the grip of anxious feelings. Spare a thought for those still working, though they may be hurting. Spare a thought for the hopeful dreamers, the believers, but mostly the grievers. For there is now and there's before, but our before will be no more. But though right now there's loss and sorrow, a new day will come, and we can build a brighter tomorrow when this day is done. But just remember not to rush, there's time to sit and think, whereas the world just yesterday would go by in a blink. So moving on now, what shall we take and what shall we forsake? For the future is now ours to shape, as the past is ours to break.